Hello, my dear children. How are you? Ciao carissimi bambini, come state? Siete pronti a partire per questa nuova avventura? Oggi riprendiamo il nostro meraviglioso copione, la storia del nostro Gingerbread Man. Ovviamente ci occupiamo della nostra parte, ovvero la prima parte, the first part. Quindi dobbiamo prestare attenzione a tre cose fondamentali, ovvero pronuncia, espressività e naturalmente turno di parola, ricordandoci quando dovete parlare. Questa è una cosa fondamentale tutte le volte che si mette in scena un piccolo spettacolo, tutte le volte che si legge, tutte le volte che bisogna intervenire. Siamo pronti? 3, 2, 1, go! Narrator Loris. Once upon a time, an old man and an old lady lived in a little house by themselves. Lady Clarissa. I'm bored. You are always in the garden, and I have nothing to do after I cooking and cleaning the house. Man, Aliu, make something interesting for dinner tonight. Narrator Loris. The old lady decided to cook a gingerbread. Suddenly, she had an idea. Lady Clarissa. I will make a gingerbread in the shape of a man. Narrator Aliu. The old lady made the gingerbread man with a red candy for a mouth, 2 chocolates for eyes, and 3 cherries for buttons. Lady Mia. And now into the oven. Narrator Andrea C. The old lady smelled a delicious perfume. Lady Mia. Let me go and check. Narrator Andrea C. The old lady went to open the oven door, but the gingerbread man jumped out from the oven. Lady Brianna. What's happened? Narrator Nathan. But before she realized what happened, the gingerbread man jumped out from the window. Lady Brianna. Hey, where do you think you are going? Narrator Nathan. The old lady started to run behind the gingerbread man. Gingerbread man. Fatima. Oh, no, no, I'm not your dinner. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm Gingerbread Man. Narrator Gabriel. The old lady's husband looked surprised. Lady Alicia. Run with me and catch the dinner. Man Bilal. So, run quickly before he vanishes. Narrator Gabriel. The old man and the old lady ran behind the gingerbread man. Gingerbread man Fatima. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm Gingerbread Man. Narrator Bilal. A cow sitting behind the road saw the gingerbread man. Cow Alicia. Mrrr, you look so tasty. I want to eat you. Narrator Sarata. The cow ran behind the gingerbread man with the old lady and the old man. Gingerbread man Andrea P. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm Gingerbread Man. Narrator Sarata. A little way ahead, a horse was stopping to see what's happened. Horse Maram.
Hee, that's look a tasty meal. Hee.
Narrator Melissa. And also the horse followed the gingerbread man with cow, the old man, and the old lady. Gingerbread man Andrea P. You better change your mind for dinner. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm Gingerbread Man. Narrator Melissa. A little way ahead was a big fat pig walking along. Pig, Lutz. Wow, this smell is so good. It should be a tasty dinner for me and my little piggies. To be continued, Lutz. Who knows what will happen? Very good, guy. Ora tocca a voi. Ascoltate, ripetete, ascoltate, ripetete. Good job! Bye bye!